I don't know if you can make out the depth on this, but it's just showing overhang of snow coming across the side of the gutter. That is billowing out and hanging down. The snow is wet and heavy. I would say that itself looks like it's 8-9 inches high and deep. But it's hanging over the edge. Deep. No, nope. Just front porch. And the rental car, as far as you can get it up in the driveway. I think that's the rental car. Looks like it has about 4 or 5 inches of snow piled on the top of it. And there should be steps here, but there's this, almost looks like a wave of snow. Guess the snow is coming, it's like it's swirling around. Looks like it's coming from the northeast. Looking at the front porch now, and so I said, there's the rental car. It's as far as I could get up in the driveway last night. And this is the front steps. There should be steps there. On the front porch, it's showing like 20 inches on the front porch. Okay, well, let's see how much is in the driveway. So, you like snow, huh? Well, here is a patio in front of garage doors that the snow has to be cleared from. It's February the 6th, 2010, about 9:30 or so, and I put a yardstick in here to show how deep this snow is in this yard, and that's 22 inches, and it's still snowing. Now, the snow is hitting me about, over the knee. Here are some cans outside the garage where we keep garbage. Can't tell from this shot, but this is supposed to be a recycle bin. It's red, completely covered. You can't see it at all. If you like snow, you love this. But this isn't a ski resort. Those fences are 6 feet tall. They're almost halfway covered. And see what the measurement is on this. Okay, here there's a table, and it looks like it's running about 21 inches, and it's still snowing. It's another shot of a tree in the area, completely covered. Those are branches. And the branches look like they might have 6 inches of snow on top of those themselves. And it's still snowing. Believe it or not, there's a car under all that. Is the tire well? It's over here somewhere. Whatever. Any rate, in my driveway, in this driveway here, yeah, we're talking like 22.5 inches of snow. It's a fairly long driveway. It's gonna take me probably several hours, if not a couple of days, to actually clear this out. Oh well. So, you like snow, huh?